this video we will learn about computer viruses. What is computer virus? A computer virus is a type of malicious software program, called malware, that, when executed, replicates itself by modifying other computer programs and inserting its own code. When this replication succeeds, the affected areas are then said to be infected with a virus. Viruses generally affect systems negatively, or can slow down or destroy your computer's data. Computer viruses can infect computers without users' knowledge. Computer viruses are bad programs which gives harm to your computer. Hackers use social engineering deceptions and exploit detailed knowledge of security vulnerabilities to initially infect systems and to spread the virus. Types of computer viruses below are the different types of computer viruses. Macro virus: it is a type of virus that is written in the same language as used in the software program. If the word processor is open, it can infect the computer system. Resident virus: this type of virus saves itself in the memory of computer and then infects the files that are present in the computer. Overwrite virus: this is most harmful type of virus. It can completely remove the existing programs and it with the malicious code by overwriting. File infector virus: it is a type of virus that first infects a single file and then later spreads itself to two other files. What a virus can do to your computer: computer virus destroys important files. Viruses can change your system data. Viruses can slow down your computer. Some viruses are programmed to completely damage the computer by damaging programs, and some viruses are designed to not to do any damage, but simply replicate themselves and perhaps make their presence known by presenting text, video, or audio messages. How computer is infected with virus: computer can be infected with virus by various ways. Like, when you transfer files from one system to another. When you download any infected software. Allow permissions without reading while browsing the internet. Clicking on unfamiliar links. How to know whether your computer is infected with virus: there are various signs by which you know that your system is infected with virus. Your computer runs slower than usual. Unknown files are present on your computer. Irritating pop-up windows will be shown on your screen. The files you have saved are not present on your system. You will be redirected to unknown websites while browsing the internet. How to protect your computer from viruses: never download any software from third-party websites. Do not open any email that you have received from unknown sources. Always read the permissions carefully before allowing them. Always think twice before downloading any software or clicking on an unknown link. Use antivirus software